Just visible everyone. Now you can switch on. Only this. Only this. Yes. Not visible. Is visible everyone?
Yes.
Not visible? Okay, just come from this side. Sit there. Just you sit there. And just you come out. Now okay? Now okay? So just let me increase font size. It is okay. So let's take 20. 20. Now it is visible. Okay. So basically, you have to install these libraries. Clear? You already installed everyone? No. Why? Right now you are having internet access. Okay, so if I am going to allow you the mobile only for the installation purpose. Clear? So just install everyone, please. Let me start. So first install okay. So everyone please write like this. Speech recognition, just write like this. Speech recognition. Clear? Just write. Speech recognition. It is visible everyone? Yes or no? And you will have latest version, that is 3.8.1. It is visible? And just click on it. Just click on it. Have you installed? Yes. Abul Kalam. What is your name? Abhay. Why? Oh, first of all, just tell me, you are having 3.6 interpreter?
Yes, sir.
You all are having 3.6?
Yes.
Already installed? Have you made the project or not? Okay, just first create the project. First create the project. How you will create the project? Just suppose just go to this file. There's new project is there. Yes, everyone, it is visible. And go to this. You can change the name here. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can change the name if you want to change. So just write the name like this, Google Assistant or anything. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see there's new environment is there, and just see here. Base interpreter, you are getting 3.6 or not? Just 36 you are getting or not? Just change it. If you are not seeing 36, just change, just click on it and just change it. That is called 36. Point is not there, not allowed, that's why. If you are having any problem, just let me know. Yes, anybody? If you are having any problem, just let me know. Abhay, is there any problem? Yes. Pablo? Yes. Just help. And Abul? Abul? Yes. You are having any problem? Oh, right now you have not installed. You know where from where you have to install? I have discussed on in previous class on this. Okay. So I thought that you have already installed all these things. Okay. So now you have to go to you are getting this option. Just tell me. Two options are there. Yes. So just select 3 6. Clear everyone? Yes, sir. Nitu, is clear?
Yes.
Raj?
Yes, sir.
Bablu?
I have not installed
Which one is not installed?
Python
3.6. So just install from this. Just
3.6.
just do one thing. Okay, just write here. Just write. So suppose everyone just listen to me. If you have not installed 3.6, just listen to me. Just type here Python 3.6 download. What do you have to write? Python 3.6 download. You can note it down also. You all can note it down on copy. Just write in your copy steps. You all write in your notebook also. So just you have to click on this one. Clear? It is visible. You will get like this. And just go scroll down it. You will get option, this one. Just listen to me, this one. Not this one. What is there? You will get Windows 8064 executable installer. If you are not able to see, just let me increase the font size. Now visible? Just let me show. Visible? Windows 8064 executable installer. Just click on it. Just click on it. Have you clicked? Just you will, as soon as you will click on this link, the downloading will start. Yes, sir? Downloading will start. Let me decrease this one. Here I go. So I think you have already downloaded. While installing, you will get path option will be there at last. So just take it. Okay. You will have path option. Have you installed? Why? Why?
Python 3.8.
Yes, you can install both at the same time. Clear? As I told you in the last class also, you can have multiple versions of Python at the same time in your system. And depending on the project, you can choose that one. Clear?
Yes.
So just install it. Have you installed?
Yes.
Now start. Sorry, you have already downloaded it. Now you can start installing. During installation, just select the path option. You can sit with him, okay? You can sit with him so that you can understand how it is going. And just go one step, go there. That side also. Yes, you come and go that side also. Clear? You all have installed? Yes, Abul. And Abhay. Nitu?
Yes.
Installed? Or downloaded only? Just tell me. Bring your laptop. Why you have not installed?
So I think
It is installing. Is there? Just wait. Okay, you all have completed?
Yes, sir.
Just wait. This is, let me stop all these things and just go to we are having file chart. Okay, so just create a project. You can create project now. You all will create projects.
Yes, sir.
And just select the 3.6. Okay, and then just go to this file. Go to this file. Settings. And just install each and every library. Here,
Yes.
just see, just write the name of all the library and version also. Just you can write. So basically, first Pi audio. Just write the versions. 0.2.11. First Pi audio 0.2.11. Here this one. Then write speech recognition. Similar way you have to write, just you can see speech recognition is there. So just you have to write speech without any space recognition. Here, then install Pi jokes. This will enable you to get the jokes. Yes. Yes. 0.6.0. 0.6.0. Then next. Just 1 minute, everyone. Okay, sit down, everyone. So basically, Now you have to install PYTTSX3. Actually, this is the name. Just write PYTT like this. You have to write. Okay, now you have installed like this. PYTTSX3, which means Python text to speech. Text to speech version 3. X3, okay. Clear? 2.9.0. 2.9.0. Yes, just as soon as you start installing any, you will get option there. What is there? Add path. So always take it, and then go to install now. Clear? Yes, sir. Don't use customize. Why you use? Okay. Then go to next one, that is called 5-watt kit. This will help you to enable the WhatsApp feature. What? Yeah. And you will use 3.2 version. 3.2 version. 3.2 version. Okay.
Yes, sir. Difference between module and libraries.
Both are same. Module and library both are same. Sometimes it's called module, sometimes it's called library. But simply you can say a module can have multiple libraries also. Module can have multiple libraries. Clear? But little bit both are same. Sometimes some of the interpreter use as module. Some of the interpreter just say library. Some say also package also. Yes. Okay, so your 3.6 is already installed. Clear? Already installed. So now just close it. Okay. And just let me close all these things. And go to the pie chart. Just create what? Which folder you are doing? Go to Python. New project I am creating. Clear? What you want to give the name? Just let me write Google Assistant. Clear? What? Google Assistant. Clear? This is the name of the project. Google. Okay, just you can select this one and you will get 3.6 and then create. What? So 5 is 3.2. 5.3 is latest one available right now, but you have to use 3.2. Clear? Then you have to install next one, that is called Wikipedia 1.4.0. Yes, you install done. Now you can install all these libraries. Install. Okay. So suppose just listen to me. Suppose you have you read? Now see, suppose you are having 5-watt kit. Okay. So how to install this? Suppose you have to install 5-watt kit. Just click on this, and you have to write 5-watt kit. Okay, there is 5-watt kit. Now just see, if you will click on this, you will get latest version also. Right now you are having which version available? And see, if you wish, so you have to change which version you have to install. 3.2. Just so how you will change it? Just go to this specify version. Yes or no? 3.2. Yes or no? Just and select it, and now just install it. Clear? So from this place you can change the version. Clear, everyone? So I hope everyone has installed all these things. Install it one by one. Install each and every. Yes. Wikipedia. Have you installed all these things? So first you have to install Pi Audio, speech recognition, Pi Jokes, PYTTSX3, Pi Word Kit, and Wikipedia. 1.4.0 Wikipedia. Yes, it is latest version. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You all have installed or not? Still. You have installed?
Yes.
Which one? Three. Yes, let me install all this. You know how to install
Yes.
or not?
Sir,
Install?
every time you are small.
This one you have installed.
Means,
No, you have installed in another lab, integrated. So you have to separately install it. Okay. Just go to this. Okay, just sit there. I just. So first, what was the first one? What was the first one? Just see, just listen to me. Is there BGA cable? No, there is not BGA. Okay, just see, just see. First, what was there? Pi audio. Pi audio. Which version was there? Okay, just install it. Installing. Now, Pi audio installed. Now you have to start speech recognition. Speech recognition. PYTTX3. Okay, then install it. Next, which one is there? Pi watt. Pi watt. Which one? Which version is there? 3.2. Just change it. And then install it. Next, Wikipedia is there. Which version? Okay. Now, just Okay, so see, we have installed which one? Which PI you already installed? Just a second. Yes, now which version you have installed? Okay, PyJokes is also there. PyJokes. 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 Clear? PyJokes. Okay. So I think you all have installed all these things. Yes, no, everyone? PyAudio is there, speech recognition is there, PYPTX is there, PyJokes is there, PyWhatKit is there, and Wikipedia is there. So all are installed. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you just create a new function. Let's take it. You all have installed? Yes or no, everyone? Is there any problem in installation? Okay, so now you are not having any problem. Just create one project. Just go to this, whatever project you are having. Just go to this and go to new and just create Python file. And please write some name, whatever you want. You can just give the name. Clear? And just enter. Just press enter button. Just write some name and press enter. This file is to be created. So let me write here. Suppose I am going to use test. Which one? Test. Test twice. What? Test. So you can use any name. Test file. Just go to this Python file and just press enter. Clear? So now you have to import all these libraries. What? You just type all these things. Just type all these things and clear. Not able to install PyAudio. Who had face? Have you laptop? So just import like this. You have already import. So as you can see, we have just imported the library, but I have not even used any one of them. Yes or no? So that's why it is like that. Now suppose I am going to create an object. Just write this one. Just write this one. Just write this one. Write this one. Okay, so what it will happen? Just see. We have SR. What is this? Alias. Speech recognition is, so we are not using the speech recognition, the whole word repeating, so we are giving the short name that is called SR. So this is the way of using this. So SR. So SR, this library or the module is having some function that is called recognizer. This will help you to create the object by which you will use, as you can see, what is there? Create a new recognizer instance. Means suppose you are having one microphone. Is there? Yes. That microphone can be used in any one of the applications. Right now it is using in which Zoom also. So I want to create recognizer, an object, so that it can use the microphone. Clear? So that's why we have to write recognizer. So as you can see, there is create a new recognizer instance which represents a collection of speech recognition. Which represents a collection of speech recognition. Collection of speech recognition. Clear? So that will have the many functions. So if you want to open one instance, two instance, three instance, then you can use this. So right now we are having one instance, so that we can use many functions of it. So now see, this will create instance. What is the name of the instance? Clear? And this will help. Again, we are using which one? Init. What it will do? It will just enable, we are going to create instance that will take help from the microphone, that will take data from the microphone. But first of all, what we have to do, we have to just enable the microphone. Then only Equalizer can get the data from that. So that's why we need PYTTS. And there's init function. So this init function enables microphone to use in our project. Clear? So py text to speech. So whatever command you will give to the system, that will be converted into text there, and that text can be again converted to speech. So that's why we are going to init, and this will be done with the help of. So that's why we are using this, and this is the call engine. It's called engine. So we are giving the name of this engine. Okay, now engine means what? You can have multiple instances. You can read from different sources also. So we are going to create the instance. Now see, there's a function inside this that is called get property. So which kind of instance you want? So voice kind of instance. Which kind of instance you want? So actually you want to record voice. Yes or no? That's why giving the voices. And then again we are creating an instance of this voices. This will just take the voice from your microphone. Now set property. What we will set the property, and we will give the voice to an ID, as you can see. There may be multiple voices, but voice will be, some kind of voice may be there. Miss, हम जो बोल रहे हैं सबसे nearest से बोल रहे हैं, एक कोई voice थोड़ी दूर से आ रहा होगा, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है. Yes or no? या बहुत सारे voice background में हो सकते हैं, तो सारे voice को सुनेगा क्या? नहीं. That's why we are going to give this one, so that this will assign one voice ID to this voice. So whatever we are going to speak, so my voice will get an ID. This is done with the help of this one. Clear? So now we are already set. Now we have to start recording everything. So just we are going to create what? That is called what? Okay, right now just run this code, just run this code. Run test voice. Just see what is happening. Nothing is happening, and you can see who is using Python. Zoom marketing, Zoom meeting is using this one. So what we have to do, we have to just stop the. Let me mute all this. Next, just write. There's a function. There's a function. Clear? What? Just let me run again. Okay, so this will take the text. This will take the text, and this text will be passed in which engine? Which engine? Python text to speech. So whatever text it will take, it will just start speaking in, or it will convert in speech. Means हमने जो देखा टेक्स्ट पढ़ा, सपोज हमने अभी जो क्या पढ़ा, मान लो सपोज हमने कुछ पढ़ा यहाँ पे देखा, अब उसको हम क्या करेंगे, टेक्स्ट पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे ना. That is called text to speech. Clear? And then ये बोलने के बाद फिर वो क्या करेगा, वेट करेगा, फिर run and wait. Run and wait. So let me run this code. Currently we are not using this function. Currently we are not using any function because we have to give the text first. Now see, And then let me use this command function also. What it will do? Yes. Again, we are using command. Yes, what it will do? Just see. Okay, just so take command is there function. What it will do? When the microphone will start reading as a command, so that we call the take command function. Whatever the microphone will record our voice, it will be passed to this command. And what will happen? As you can see, when we will call this function, the microphone will start reading from the source. This whatever we will speak, that will be recorded as a source only, and only again, and it will print first part listening, because it will show listening. Means system is ready to listen. Now, whatever we will speak in microphone, that will be passed to source, and that will be listened by the listener object. That will recognize the voice, and it will pass this to voice variable. So whatever we will speak, that will pass to the voice variable. Now it will pass to the Google recognize is what actually what we have just spoken. You know what we have spoken. So that you will understand first, then it will react. Now, so first it will understand that what actually he is asking, what he is telling basically. So that's why we will just use recognize Google. It will take the help of Google and it will convert into the command. मतलब आपने कुछ बोला, आपने बोला कि just play movie. अब उसका मतलब क्या होता है उसको तो नहीं पता. वो किसको देगा? गूगल को देगा. गूगल को देगा से कन्वर्ट किया. अच्छा ये कह रहा प्ले म्यूजिक. So that is stored in this command. आपने जो माइक्रोफोन में बोला वो सारा किसमें आ जाएगा? कमांड वेरिएबल में. And then you are also going to convert in lower case later. In which case? Lower case. Capital small, that is lower case. So command will be passed to lower case. Okay. Now see, if there is a condition. Actually, what we are going to do, we are going to work on the Alexa project. So if Alexa in the command, suppose what you will do, just tell me. You will tell Alexa play music. Alexa do this. Alexa do this. You can change the name also. You can use any name. You can give any name to it. Right now we are going to give Alexa. So whenever you will use Alexa in the command, he will understand what it will do. Just see. Alexa, it will replace Alexa word from that command. Clear? What it will do? So if I am saying that Alexa open music, so it means it will not take Alexa, it will just take the open music part. Clear? So that's why we are going to do this. And then this command will be stored in this. We will not say the Alexa, we can directly ask to the open or to work some. Okay? So that's why we are doing. If suppose, so there is try catch block is there. Suppose in this portion there may be possibility of exception generated. So if exception is generated in this portion, means suppose system is listening, you are not telling anything. Some noise is coming, then it will understand what we are asking or what we are speaking. So in that case, there will be exception, and that exception will be passed to this command. Clear? So exception will be generated. Clear, everyone? So this is how we can understand. Not even this. Okay, so I will time this over now. Clear? Should I complete or not? Okay, just let me stop here. We will discuss in next.